హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఈ లాగర్థం టాపిక్ చూజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటంటే వేరే టాపిక్లో లాగర్థమ్స్ బేస్ అయ్యి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో అవి చేయడానికి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో లాగర్థం గురించి పూర్తిగా అంటే కంప్లీట్గా మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే లాగర్థం మీద వాడు ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం అడిగినా కూడా మీరు చేయడానికి వీలు ఉంటుంది.
log b. So log a into b equal to log a plus log b. So it is first law of logarithm. So it is over in first class. So next second one is quotient rule. So quotient rule is logarithm of a by b equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Okay, suppose base is x, then we get same base x. So it is quotient rule. Log a by b base x equal to log a base x minus log b base x. So proof. So same way we can prove same. So write log a base x, log a to the base x equal to some p, log b to the base x equal to some q. Okay, let log a to the base x equal to p, log b to the base x equal to q. So then it is logarithmic form. Write in exponential form. This a equal to this base is base of this p. So x power of p. So next it is logarithmic form. I am writing in exponential form. This b equal to here x power of q. Okay, so now consider, so here a by b. So now consider a by b equal to here a value is x power of p by b value is x power of q. Okay, so that equal, right? Here x power of p by x power of q. Here bases are equal. So bases are equal, power should be subtracted from loss of exponents. So here bases are equal, same x power should be subtracted, means we get p minus q. Okay, so finally we get a by b equal to x power of p minus q. Now this a by b equal to x power of p minus q is exponential form. So now we have to write in logarithmic form. So we get here a by b equal to x power of p minus q. A by b equal to x power of p minus q. So we get finally a by b equal to x power of p minus q. It is exponential form. Write in logarithmic form is implies I am writing in logarithmic form. This exponent is here p minus q. P minus q is power or exponent. This exponent equal to logarithm of this number base this x. So log a by b to the base x. Just I am writing in logarithmic form. So next replace. So here replace p is equal to what? P is log a to the base x minus q is log b to the base x equal to log a by b base x. So finally we get log a by b equal to log a minus log b. So suppose it is given like this, log 3 by 5 base 2. Just we have to expand this logarithm, log 3 by 5 base 2. So like it is log a by b. So here a is 3, b is 5. So it is log a by b expansion, log a minus log b. So log a is 3 minus log b is 5. Okay, so log a by b value, log a minus log b with the same base 2. Okay, sir, very important. So first one is product rule, second one is quotient rule, so third one is power of logarithm. So here power of logarithm is log a to the power of m base b equal to, so here just we have to shift this power to here. So m into, just shift this power to here, m into log a to the base b. So it is power of logarithm rule. Log a power of m is equal to m into log a. Log a power of m equal to m into log a. Just we have to shift the power before of logarithm. So proof. So first write let log a to the base b. Log a to the base b equal to, so let it some p. Okay, so now it is logarithmic form. Write in exponential form. Exponential form is what? This a equal to base is base of p. Just exponential form is, right, base is always base. So here a equal to this base b is base of p. It is exponential form. So next, here see, we have log a power of m. Here a power m is there. So just now apply power m on both sides, we get like this. So write power on both sides. A power of m equal to b power of p whole power of m. Just I am writing power on both sides. So next we get a power of m equal to b power of, apply laws of exponents. So here b power of p whole power of m is b power of p into m. So b power of p into m. So laws of exponents by using. So here now I am writing. So now it is exponential form. Treat exponent is pm. Okay, now it is exponential form. I am writing it is exponent. Then from exponential form to logarithmic form is exponent pm is equal to logarithm of this number to the base b. Log a to the power of m to the base b. Okay, so it is exponential form, it is logarithmic form. So next write replace. Here first I am writing m into, so here p is equal to what? M into p is equal to log a to the base b. Here see, p is equal to log a to the base b. So here I am writing p value log a to the base b into this m equal to log a to the power of m base b. So it is proved. See, log a to the power of m is m into log a with the base b. Okay, so it is third rule, power of logarithm is over. Suppose power of base of logarithm. So power of base of logarithm is second one. So suppose log a to the base b power of m. Here power is base. So base power is m. Then it is 1 by m into. So write power is m, then write reciprocal of m. 1 by m into log a to the base b. So here power having base having power m, then we can write shift this power like 1 by m. So here m become 1 by m into log a to the base b. So proof. So here write same way, write let log a to the base b is equal to some p. Okay, so next it is logarithmic form. Write in exponential form is this a equal to, so here base is b, then write base of this p, b power of p. Here b power is m, same apply power on both side m. So write a power of m equal to, here write b power of m into p we got. Suppose write b power of p whole power of m. Just I am writing power m on both side. So that implies, so here we get a power of m equal to, I am writing here b power of p whole power of m. Just I am interchanging these two, we get b power of m whole power of p. We can write both are same. B power of p whole power of m is same as b power of m whole power of p. Just we have to interchanging these powers. There is no change in value. Okay, so a power of m equal to b power of m whole power of p. So now write it is exponent. Now p is exponent. It is exponential form. So this p is exponent. Then this exponent p is equal to, I am writing in logarithmic form. This exponent p equal to logarithm of this a power of m, logarithm of a power of m to the base this b power of m, to the base b power of m. P is equal to, apply power of logarithm. So m shift to here, m into log a base b power of m. This m left side we get m become 1 by m. So 1 by m into here p equal to log a to the base b power of m. Okay, so now write here shift this m right side we get 1 by m into this p into log a to the base b power of m. So now replace p value. Here p is equal to what? Log a to the base b. So we get 1 by m into replace equal to log a to the base b equal to log a base b power of m. Log a base b power of m. So it is proved. So next, so determine the values of the following. Determine the values of the following means just we have to find the values of these logarithms. So first one, so log 5 base. First one log 5 base 25 value. I'm writing like this. Log 5 base. Here 25. 25 is 5 into 5, 5 square. Okay. So here log 5 base 5 power of 2. Here base having power m. So here base having power 2. Suppose log a base b power of m. So here base b having power m, it become 1 by m into log a to the base this b. So it is power of logarithm. So write so here base having power 2, then it become 1 by 2. Okay, into log 5 base 5. Just write this power become 1 by m. 1 by m. So here 1 by m. M is 2. Write 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5. So write 1 by 2 into, here already we know that logarithm of 5 with the same base is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 we get 1 by 2. Next second one is log 1 by 16 base 2. So log 1 by 16 base 2 we can write like this. So here log, so here 1 by 16 we can write 16 power of minus 1. Okay, here loss of exponent same. Here 1 by x we can write like this. 1 by x we can write x power of minus 1. Here x power is 1, it become x power of minus 1. Plus 1 become minus 1. Here 1 by 16 we can write 16 power of, here 16 power of plus 1. Here 16 power of minus 1 we get. 1 by 16 power of plus 1 is 16 power of minus 1. So base 2. So that is equal to, right? So here 16 prime factorization. 16 prime factorization is 16 2 8 times 2 4 times 2 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we get 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4 whole power of minus 1. Okay, base 2. So we get, so here 2 power of this 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 base 2. So now apply power of logarithm. So here apply power of logarithm is 2 power of m. M into log a. So write this m, it is m. So write minus 4 into m into log a. A is 2. Base same 2. So here apply power of logarithm. This shift this power here to here. We get this minus 4 into log 2 base 2. We get minus 4 into log 2 base 2 value 1. Okay, so that is equal to minus 4 into 1. We get minus 4. Next, third one. So log root x base x. So here see root x is x power of 1 by 2. So here root, square root meaning is x power of 1 by 2. So right, log, here root x is x power of 1 by 2 base x. Now it is like log a power of m. Log a power of m is m into log a. So m is 1 by 2 into, so shift this power here to here, 1 by 2 into log x to the base same x. Okay, here x base x. So log x base x is 1. So 1 by 2 into this 1 by 2 into 1, we get 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2.